Hey, fifth grade. So we meet again. We are talking about conjunctions. This is for language arts, of course, conjunctions, language arts. We'll be on page 245. And by now, we all know what a conjunction is. It is a word that is joining two or more words. And they can be words such as and, but, or. So if we were in class, I would have you continually say and, but, or so that you can get it in your head that and, but, or are conjunctions that you use to join words together or pieces of the sentences together. Okay. Conjunctions, joining words and, but, or. Now, you can have a compound subject. All right. We're going to put these two words together, compound. Okay. Two or more, and you know what a subject is. A subject is the who or what of a sentence. So a compound subject is going to have two or more subjects, and within that you are going to use and, but, or. So your first example is sunshine and rain make a rainbow. Sunshine, rain, those are two subjects. You're talking about two subjects. They both make a rainbow, or put together, they make a rainbow. That's some science in there. But sunshine and rain, you need to join together. Okay, we're talking about sunshine and rain. They are both the subject of the sentence. They are joined with the word and. Compound predicate has two or more simple predicates or verbs that are joined together. So again, our compound two or more, a verb is the action that the subject takes in the sentence. The example, raindrops bend sunlight and divide it. So you have your subject, raindrops, right? Well, what does the raindrops do? That's hard to say. The raindrops bend, the raindrops divide. So they bend sunlight, and they divide it. So you need to join those two verbs with the word and. Raindrops bend sunlight and they divide it. A compound sentence contains two or more simple sentences joined by a comma and your conjunction. So, yes, in writing, you can put two sentences together. The example that they use here is clouds appear solid. That can be a sentence on its own. You can put a period at the end, or you can add another to it as they have done here. Clouds appear solid, but they are made up of water droplets. Okay, your second sentence is they are made up of water droplets. They put your conjunction there, but please notice that the comma is before the conjunction and not after. And you have a series. So a series is, I would describe it as like a list, a shopping list, right? So instead of putting bullet points in each item there, you want to make a nice sentence. So you say, hey, Mrs. Jones went to the store and she bought turkey, comma, apples, comma, bananas, comma, grapes, comma, ham. I like meat and ham, meat and fruits apparently. But so instead of doing bullet points for the list, you are making a sentence. In between each item, you are inserting a comma to separate each item. Okay. And then at the end or before the last item, you put and your last item. But you also need to make sure, again, that you put your comma before the conjunction. So for guided practice, what you're going to do is put all of the knowledge that you have acquired as you've been with me. You're going to read your directions first. You're going to circle the conjunction in the sentence. Then you're going to underline the words that the conjunction joins together. Okay. Now, in the blank, what you're going to do for me is you're going to write whether it is two adjectives, two subjects, two predicates, two direct objects, two sentences. Okay. So again, put all of your knowledge together. We will do the first one together just as an example. And then I know that you are so smart and I've taught you so well that you can go on without me. Okay. So round or spherical raindrops usually fill a cloud. All right. So our conjunction, let's circle that first. It is or. So circle or. So here we have two adjectives. Our raindrops are being described as round and or spherical. Round, spherical. Okay. So you are going to underline round, underline spherical as they describe the raindrops. And on that blank, you place the number 2 and please write adjectives. There are 2 adjectives here. So I want you to do the same for 2 through 8. Okay, now these can be adjectives, subjects, predicates, sentences, or direct objects. So please, again, make sure that you use all the knowledge that you have. After you finish page 245, please go on and finish 246. All right, y'all have a beautiful day.